Hello and welcome to Mint Canvas Studio. Today I will guide you through the updated Notion client portal. This tool is designed to help freelancers and project-based businesses streamline client communication and project management. It serves as a central hub where you can share information with your clients and keep them updated throughout the development of their projects. The portal features a one-page layout which allows you to duplicate it for as many projects as you need without slowing down Notion. Its intuitive design ensures a quick setup for you and allows your clients to navigate it easily, even if they are new to Notion. I will first walk you through the various sections of the portal, then I will explain how to set it up and customize it. The top section of the portal has 3 columns. The left column contains a navigation menu with links to the most important areas of the portal, designed to help your client navigate it easily. You can customize the menu by adding or removing links. For example, if you want to add another stage to your project workflow, place your cursor next to the last stage and press Enter. Write stage 5 as an example. You can also copy the little dot from the previous stage. Next, scroll down to the section of the portal with the stage toggles. You can easily copy and paste an existing stage or create a new one by adding a new toggle heading and populating it with the elements you need. To link different blocks within Notion, simply click on the 6 dots next to the corresponding block. Usually I link the title of the section and select Copy Link to Block. Then go back to the navigation menu, highlight a stage you created, select the link option and paste the URL. Click on the option that appears and the link should work correctly. Once you've edited the menu, let's look at the central column. Here you will find a welcome paragraph. This is where you can write a brief message to welcome your client to the portal, introduce the client hub, and provide information on how to use it. The video toggle contains this video tutorial. I recommend creating a short introductory video that explains how to use the portal. You only need to do this once and you can link it here. So every time you onboard a new client, they can quickly watch the video to learn how to use the portal, which is very user-friendly. Additionally, they will be able to refer back to the video whenever they need assistance. The right column stores your contact information and business hours, and a quick link menu to add pages you often use. The next section is a key element of the portal, the notifications area. This is where you will communicate with your clients about each step they need to take, along with deadlines, meetings, and general tasks. You can specify what you are currently working on and when they can expect to see drafts or updates from you. It's important to note that this database is integrated into the portal. Each copy of the portal will have a distinct database that is not linked to your personal task or project database. This design choice allows you to customize the client experience without sharing sensitive information or risking interference with your existing databases. The Notification Center will help eliminate endless back-and-forth emails with your client. Instead, they can simply open the portal and check the notifications to understand if they need to complete any steps or see what you are currently working on. Everything they need is readily available. The first tab, the Project Planner, contains all tasks, meetings, and to-dos that either you or the client must complete. Once tasks are finished, they will be moved to the Completed Steps tab. The client's tasks are organized in the second tab, where they can view the current status of the projects and update the status of any tasks they complete. This setup ensures that even a beginner Notion user can navigate the portal easily. Below the notification section is the project overview. Here you can provide a summary of the project scope and objectives. It's also important to highlight the project's timeline and list any team members involved, if applicable. Additionally, you should outline all deliverables associated with the project. A personalized mood board can also be added in this section. Depending on your services and industry, you may wish to customize the layout of this section to better suit your needs. Next, let's discuss the project stages. I have included 4 default stages: onboarding, planning, development, and offboarding. You can personalize these stages to fit your workflow and modify the colors to align with your branding and visual identity. Feel free to add or delete stages as needed. To add a new stage, I recommend duplicating an existing one as this will also copy its formatting. Simply adjust the wording and colors and you're all set. Below this overview of the initial stages, you will find the stage toggles. I choose toggle blocks to better organize the portal and enhance usability. Each stage will have specific steps to complete, as well as documents or media to share. You can use the embed blocks to share the relevant media with your client and even collect their feedback. This setup will facilitate communication and file sharing with your client while allowing you to collect and access all necessary documents and media for each project, even for future reference. Once you complete a stage, you can close its toggle and proceed to the next one. By informing your client of which stage you are in, they can easily navigate to the appropriate section of the portal and access all relevant information and downloadable materials. The section below is dedicated to your payment information and bank account details. You can provide the client's billing information and outline the various payment methods available. Additionally, you can specify any particular payment requirements. You may also list all invoices related to the project here, allowing the customer to download them. Next, we have the review and testimonial section. This part is essential for collecting feedback from your clients. It provides a dedicated space for clients to leave their reviews, consent to their use for marketing purposes, and even complete a short survey. The survey is an example of a customer satisfaction survey. You have the flexibility to edit the questions, add new ones, or delete any that are not relevant, allowing you to customize the overall survey to meet your specific needs. This section is an excellent opportunity for you to identify areas of your service that may need improvement and to enhance customer satisfaction. Finally, the portal features 2 sections where you can invite your clients to connect with you on social media or, even better, to subscribe to your newsletter. Additionally, you can create a unique referral code for your clients to use, which will encourage referrals and returning clients. This concludes the tour of the sections. Now, let's go over to how to set up the portal and how to create a template that you can use every time you need it. First, edit your contact information and links at the top. Customize the introductory paragraph to your liking and either link a new video or remove the video toggle entirely. If you have recurring onboarding and offboarding tasks, list them in the notification database. This way, every time you duplicate the portal, these tasks will be included automatically. Next, identify your project workflow and determine how many stages you typically need to complete a project. Open all stage toggles and edit the steps and blocks inside them to better align with your workflow. Make sure to indicate your payment information and customize the testimonial section as needed. The same applies to the last 2 blocks, where you can edit your links and referral code. You'll also need to modify the footer. Here you can add your name, brand, and website. In the footer, you'll find a Canva template for the cover page. You can change the cover of the portal to feature your own branding image or use the Canva template I created and edit it to fit your brand. Remember to delete this link once you no longer need it. If you already use Notion for your business, you might have your own personal workspace for organizing your projects and tasks. If you don't, I recommend checking out our newly updated freelance dashboard to help you manage your entire business within Notion. You may want to integrate this portal into your workspace as a template. And here's how to do it. Using our freelance dashboard as an example, navigate to your projects database and create a new template. Name this template Client Portal. Next, go to the Client Portal page and click on the 3 dots in the menu. Select Move To and choose the recently created template from the list that appears. If you don't see your template, use the search option to type its name. You have now successfully moved the portal to the project's database, but there's just one more step. Open the new template and you will see the portal appearing as a link in the body of the page. Click the 6 dots next to the block, then select Turn Into from the drop-down menu and choose Text. Notion will replace the embedded page with the text it contains. Click outside the window to save the template. That's it. You can now generate a client portal each time you add a new project to your database. To share the portal with your clients, select Share from the page menu and enter your client's email address to invite them to the portal. And that's it. Now you have a powerful tool at your disposal to organize your projects and communicate effectively and professionally with your clients. I'm confident that this simple yet powerful template will enhance your workflow. We would love to hear your thoughts on this new update. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.